Hello everyone, hi. Have you heard of the term ascension? Probably you are aware of it and you fully understand it, or probably you have never heard of it. I believe it's the right time to talk about ascension as we are living through one of the most transformative periods of our life. If you look around, you will notice that your ideas, your belief systems, your identities, and even your relationships are gradually changing. And the world around us is changing. What with all the wars and the chaos and the geopolitics, the world order seems to be changing. And amidst all this chaos, Bharat appears to be rising slowly and silently, but very powerfully. Bharat is ascending. And all the turbulence and the chaos that we see around us is a symptom of ascension. And whether we are aware of it or not, we all are going through our own ascension. So, what exactly is ascension and what are its signs and symptoms, and what can we do to ascend faster? Let's have a look at it. Hello, everyone. My name is Deepti Shekhar, and I am a clinical hypnotherapist, a regression therapist, and a family constellation therapist. And I specialize in inner child therapy work, past life therapy work. Over the years, I have guided my clients to explore the power of their own subconscious mind by healing their unresolved emotions and finding balance in their careers, finances, relationships, and inner world. My mission is to help individuals move from pain and confusion to clarity, healing, and empowerment. I do online sessions that may take 1.5 to 2 hours time, and these sessions are very private and confidential and one on one. Apart from being a therapist, I'm a wife, a mother, a pet parent, and a Kathak dancer as well. I was talking about ascension. So, ascension is a process of emotional and spiritual evolution. It's a highly transformative process, a process where we rise into higher states of consciousness. Now, this rise into a higher place is not an external event at all. It's not even sudden enlightenment or a mystical escape from this physical world. So, ascension in truth is about an inner journey where there is a gradual increase in the level of awareness about ourselves, awareness about our surroundings. And as the level of our awareness gradually increases, there is a gradual elevation in our vibration, in our consciousness. It's like an upgrade in our inner software, like as if our soul is beginning to awaken. Many people reach a point in their lives when their jobs, their relationships, or their material achievements stops fulfilling them and they start looking for more meaning in their lives. This is their soul's calling for awakening, and this awakening is the beginning of ascension for them. While for some people, awakening comes gently through curiosity about meditation, about spirituality or healing, there are others where awakening arrives like an earthquake through heartbreaks, through failures, betrayals, or through the loss of their loved ones, or through health challenges. And these shake up their foundation about everything they have ever known. Ascension is not always comfortable, and sometimes it completely breaks you and makes you question everything in your life. So, lately, if you have felt that something has shifted inside of you and you don't feel like that old you anymore, or if you are looking for answers to the questions in your life, like why did this happen to me, or that happened to me, or why me, and you can't tolerate fake people or unnecessary gossip and looking for authenticity and inner peace, Or probably you have lost interest in material and superficial things and goals in life, or you have this constant need for solitude to recharge, realign your energies, or you feel very disconnected, detached from certain people and habits, or lately, if you have this heightened feeling of empathy and compassion for other people and animals, or if you feel like your identity is dissolving or you're questioning the direction of your life a lot, or maybe your old traumas are resurfacing. So, probably it's the time to acknowledge and accept these traumas, to heal them. So, go for therapy, go for healing. Or if you have this increased psychic awareness or intuitive downloads, or probably you are seeing synchronicities and you see numbers like 1111, 222, 555, etc. And you begin to see divine patterns in ordinary moments of life. Or there is a feeling that you are living in two worlds, one foot in the physical and other in the higher realms or higher awareness. And there is a greater sense of purpose or calling beginning to emerge. If lately you have been going through these experiences, congratulations, you are ascending. So just keep going, because eventually these intense symptoms are going to stabilize as your physical body gradually realigns with your awakened consciousness and your raised frequency. And eventually, with time, you will begin to experience calm from within, as you will have an inner knowing of the situations around you. And you will begin to feel neutral for both happy and sad moments in your life. So, to support your ascension journey, you can start to sit in stillness, in self reflection, or in meditation. Or you can go for a hypnotherapy session or a past life regression session that can help you to clear the confusion and guide you through a faster ascension process. So, that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves. Bye bye. Namaskar.